Hi my lovely people, I am Kanak and welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make Panchatantra Dal. It is a speciality of Rajasthan and it is also known as Panchamel Dal. It is an exotic amalgamation of 5 kinds of lentils which are cooked in onion and tomato based gravy. Now heat a wok and pour 1 tablespoon of oil and half a tablespoon of ghee on medium-high heat. Now add the bay leaf, dry red chilies and cumin seeds. Allow the cumin seeds to sizzle. Now add the cloves, Asafoetida and then mix well. Immediately add the onions and a very little salt. Mix well and cook for around 1 to 2 minutes until the onions are little soft and tender. Add ginger garlic paste and mix well. Also add in the green chilies and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the pureed tomatoes and cook until the oil separates from the mixture. Once that is done, add the turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder and mix well and let it cook for around 1 more minute. Now add the pre-boiled cooked dals and mix well. Also add in 1 to 2 cups of water and allow the dal to come to a boil. Don't make the dal very thick or very thin. You can adjust water as per the consistency you want. Now add some more salt to taste and let it boil for another 3 to 4 minutes. Once you get the desired consistency, pour the lemon juice and add some fresh coriander and mix. Now you can pour in any container you want. And now for additional seasoning, heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of ghee in a small skillet just until warm enough and add red chili powder and mix and pour this on the top of the prepared dal and garnish it with some more fresh coriander. Hope you like my delightful and flavorful Panchatantra Dal recipe. It is quite thick and rich in texture as you can see. Here I've used 5 kinds of lentils and if you want you can use any other combination of your choice, and this is best suited for large gatherings and parties, and it goes perfect with rice or some roti on the side. So try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes.